Hi folks, Professor Amache wanted to get you through T4, the review assignment, and this is expanding on the family page at Tree and Book. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, the first page that we're going to start on is the Ferris page here, and we're going to link our 3 style sheets here. So that's link CSS times 3. And the first one is the TB base. Yep, that's it there. And TB styles 3. And then the one we're going to be working on, it's the TB visual 3. Okay, and as we can see here, we got some generic colors. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be expanding on that by filling out these here. First thing we're also going to have to do here is create our image map. So our image map is going to be down here. Okay, it's the Ferris family that's right here. After the H1 here, we're going to enter a figure. And in the figure here is going to be one image file and some alt text here. Okay, and underneath this, we're going to have use map. And the name of the map is going to be portrait map. Okay, cool. So we have this image that's going on right here. Let's also add here a fig caption. So underneath here. So fig caption. Okay, so we got our fig caption that's right down there, and we can close off our figure. Let's also add in our map. So the map name here is going to be portrait map. And then within this, we got area. The shape is rectangle. Coordinates for this one are 10, 50, 192, and 223. And that's going to link to Kathleen. And the alt text there is Kathleen Ferris. And we also have another one here too. So we have area. A shape there is going to be a circle. Coordinates are 264, 108, and 80. That's going to link to TB Linda HTML there. Alt text Linda Ferris White. Okay, and yes, we have this linking to here, and then this linking to there. So I think we're going to be good there. Let's open up Visual 3. Okay, and HTML styles. Let's come out here. And for HTML, we're going to set the background image, set that for a URL. It's going to be tb_back5.png. Okay, can't really see it on this one, but on our separate preview window here, that that set this up here. So the entire background there is all this in here. Page body styles. Let's come out here. Let's do, for the body here, we're going to set the border left. Set it to 3 pixel solid RGB, and it's 169, 130, and 88. Okay, border right is gonna be the same thing. So that's border right here. And then we set our box shadow. Set it to RGB 53210. And then 25 pixel, 0 pixel, and 35 pixel. Okay, and for the other one out here, let's set that for RGB. Same thing, 53, 21, and 0. And this time we are doing negative 25 pixel, 0 pixel, and 35 pixel. Same with the right up there. Okay, main styles. So our main styles is out over here. Let's set that one up for background. It's a URL, which is tbback7.png, 100%, and cover, no repeat, and padding box. Okay, and see it, I'm going ahead and getting that color there set up for our background. Let's also add in our box shadow. It's inset RGB 71, 71, 71, negative 10 pixels, negative 10 pixels, and 25 pixels there. And let's also set this one here. Okay, this time it's 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 25 pixel. So we get the mirror image there going. Okay. You see how it's coming out there? Okay, for our main H1s, our main header H1s, main header H1, let's set our text shadow to be RGB 221 all across the board there. 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 0 pixel. Then RGBA 41, 41, 41, and the alpha is 0.9. 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 20 pixel. Great. Let's get out here to our figure box styles. And let's set our figure up here for margin of 10 pixel, and then we'll do auto over here too. And then our width is 70%. Great. So now we need our figure image. Set that border width. to 25 pixels. Border style, set that up for a solid. Border image, we set that up as a URL. It's going to be frame.png. Set that for 60 and then stretch. Okay, that's our frame right there. Display, it's going to be block. Okay, width 100%. And WebKit filter, we're going to set this for this 0.8. Okay, now if this particular browser or a particular browser cannot parse that out, we can fall back to this one. Okay, good. Let's set up our Fig caption. That font family is going to be and if it can't do that, go to Times New Roman. If it can't do that, then we go to serif. Okay, font style is italic. Padding, 10 pixel by 0. Okay, and we do text align will be center. Okay, see how it centered the Fig caption that's right here? Let's go over to article styles, and we're going to set this up now. So set up the article, set the background first. It's a URL, tbback6.png. It's going to be bottom right, 15% and no repeat. Okay, border right. It's 8 pixel double RGB, 147, 116, 68. Okay, copy down here, and then we'll set this up for border bottom. So set the border bottom right radius. We set that for 80 pixels. Okay, and our box shadow. It's going to be inset RGBA. Okay, 0.7 there. And let's just break on a new line. -10 pixel, -10 pixel, 25 pixel. Okay, that should be fine there. Okay, so for our footer styles, we're going to do background. We can do footer first. Set our background to be linear gradient. And that's 325 degrees. RGB, you know, why don't we break this out a little bit here? Okay, we'll do RGB over here. 180, 148, 104, 20%. give us a little more space over here too, and do another RGB for 40, 33, and 23. And this is 60%. Okay, and what that did was it set our linear gradient over here. Okay, so good. This should set us up now to take a look at our image map. And let's get started. Let's get started here with the other page with the other CSS. Okay, so what we got here is the Kathleen page, and this is also going to take some of the formatting from Visual 4. So for Kathleen's page here, we just need to link to CSS 3 times there, and it is TB base. Okay, it's also going to be TB styles 4, and it's also going to be TB visual 4. Okay, and some basic formatting is going on there. Okay, so we go ahead and save that as well. So come out here to this, and this would probably be fine, but we can do a little bit more with this, and we can shift some of the perspective on these images and do some other things here. So let's get to the CSS. For the transformation styles, let's just start broadly with article and set the perspective to 800 pixels. Okay. And what we're going to do here is go through our 3 figures here. So figure 1 is going to be this. So figure 1, transform, translate Z. Okay, negative 120 pixels. Okay, so that's our first one. Second one is figure 2. Set that transform there, and we'll translate Y to negative 20 pixels, and then we're going to rotate Y by 50 degrees there. See? We just rotated this picture right here for figure 2. And let's go to figure 3. Transform, and we'll do translate Y, negative 30 pixels, and we're also going to rotate Y. Okay, and that rotates that image that's right out over here. Cool, let's apply some filters. So for the first one, it's figure 1, and we set that filter for saturate. We can do 1.3 there. Right, so it saturates this just a little bit, just enough to make the colors pop a little bit. Okay, let's go figure 2. And let's apply this. So it's filter, let's use the brightness filter and bump it up just a little bit along with the contrast. bump that up just a tiny bit too. Okay, that bumps that up. And let's do something a little bit more dramatic for over here. So for figure 3. Set that filter for hue rotate. Hue rotate is 170 degrees. Let's do saturate 3 and then brightness, set that to 1.5. Okay, cool. So that's that pretty dramatic effect there. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for the 2 pages here for Tree and Book. I hope you had fun with this, and we will see you on the next one.